Sugru, multi-purpose moldable glue. Looks and feels like Play-Doh and sticks permanently to lots of stuff. All you do is stick it, mold it, and in 24 hours, Sugru turns into a silicone rubber that stays stuck. Make your cables last longer. Fix all those broken toys. You can even fix your favorite ceramics. Sugru can handle extreme temperatures and is easy to emboss and texturize. Missing parts are easy to rebuild. You can mount all sorts of fittings in your kitchen or bathroom without using messy power tools. Sugru can hold up to 2 kilograms and is completely waterproof. Make handy hooks all around your home, so you can hang pretty much anything, anywhere. Old toys and broken plastics can be transformed into kids' hooks and amazing new toys. Customize your things and give them soft touch rubber grips. Sugru turns into strong and durable silicone rubber, so use it to protect your stuff and make things bouncy and shock resistant. Sugru is brilliant for creative projects. Perfect for fixing broken seals and broken zips. It will keep your feet warm and dry and do emergency DIY repairs. Fixing is good. Use Sugru and a little imagination to fix, make, and reimagine your stuff.
This is Pod. It lets you really get to know your pet. You attach it to their collar and track them on your phone or computer. It works for all pets. Really, all pets. Pod helps you when your escape artist runs away, so you can locate them anytime, anywhere. There's also a safe zone feature, so when your furry friend escapes, you get an alert on your phone. Have you ever wondered what your pet gets up to when you're not around? Well, now you can follow their adventures to see exactly where they've been. You can even monitor their activity levels to make sure they're getting enough exercise. Never lose your pet again with Pod.
It's a fun accessory for your phone. A chance to show off your style. Whenever, wherever. Just pop to use and collapse to lay flat. Use one to go on a road trip. With your big dog. Snap a picture. Or don't. Watch a video. Then do a kick flippy thing. Text with one hand, so you can hold a bunch of balloons. Just use it to hold your phone better while you jump your friend's car. Basically, it'll transform your entire phone experience. Yeah, it's that good. PopSockets. Little life changers.
I'm here to talk to you about the Luminoodle. We have 2 sizes, a 5-foot and a 10-foot. So let's check it out. So as we open up the package, You can see the Luminoodle comes in this white ripstop nylon bag. And as you take the Luminoodle out of the bag, and we'll just take all the contents out, you have the Luminoodle. And then it also comes with these things called noodle ties, which I'll show you in just a second. But first and foremost, as you can see, the Luminoodle has a reversible USB, which means you can plug it in either way. This will run off of any USB port. So any USB battery, any computer, literally any USB port. So as we take the Luminoodle off the spool, you can see on this one end, it has what we call a utility loop. So you can just loop it and hang it from anywhere. And then it also comes with these three magnets. So these three sliders, which means you can move them anywhere along the Luminoodle. And on this end, it has a magnet, so you can stick it to anything metal. The noodle ties, which you just pop over the end of the Luminoodle, like so, and then you can loop it around tree branches or anything like that, and it goes through itself so that you can hang it with the noodle ties. If you want a power supply, we also have a package called the Luminoodle Plus. So we'll just take this battery out of the box real quick. And this is the lithium 4400. It's an awesome little battery. When you flip the toggle up, it shows you capacity, so it's half full. And when you flip it down, it gives you an extra little bit amount of light. So we'll just plug the Luminoodle in, and as you can see, it lights up and provides about 180 lumens of light. The other cool thing about the white ripstop nylon bag is you can actually take the Luminoodle and kind of wrap it around the battery, if you will. And you stick it in the bag that it comes with. And it doubles as a lantern. So, like I said, this is the 5-foot version. We also have a 10-foot version. The 5-foot version with this battery, the lithium 4400, will run for about 6 hours, and the 10-foot version will run for about 3 hours.
On a long road trip or simply traveling with a group of people, you need more than one charger, but USB and charging ports are limited in most vehicles. That's where the X5 charger comes in. The X5 USB car charger delivers lightning-fast charging speeds while supporting up to 5 devices at once. Its intelligent recognition technology identifies your device, adjusts to its capabilities, and delivers the fastest charge for that device. For example, charging a tablet and charging a smartphone aren't the same thing. No more having to constantly switch out phones and devices. You can purchase the X5 car charger for $24.99 at RapidX.io.